God doesn't give the hardest battles to his toughest soldiers. He creates the toughest soldiers through life's hardest battles. Here's the 7 characteristics we can learn from the lion. Number 1, lions are a symbol of strength. They are physically and mentally strong. First and foremost, if you want to become a lion, you have to know what your weaknesses are and work on them. But you also have to build on your strengths. No one is perfect and no one has it all. But when you know who you are and know what you're capable of, you will have the strength to withstand great force and pressure in times of challenges, hardship, and difficulties. And guess what? That's how you win in life. Number 2, lions are leaders. Instead of following where the path may lead, go instead where there is no path and leave a trail. Only you know what path to take and what is the best for your life. Have courage and be confident in your walk like a lion and march on into your destiny. Number 3, lions are unique. And it matches the fact that people are also unique. There are 7 billion people in the planet, and not one of them has the same fingerprint. This means you are born unique for a reason. There are things you can do with ease that no one else can do. Don't try to fit in, but stand out and use the gifts you were given. Number 4, lions are always willing to fight. They have an attitude to keep going when things get tough. Everything of value on this planet has a price. So if you want something valuable into your life, you need to go out there and fight for it like a lion. Number 5, lions are brave. They are ready to face and endure danger or pain. The heart of a lion is one that will never be afraid and will always move forward. You have to be willing to take the steps necessary for self-growth, even if it scares you. Always go with the choice that scares you the most, because that's the one that's going to help you grow. Have courage to take action and take control over your life. Number 6, lions are part of a pride. Although lions are leaders and largely loners, they belong to the pride because they are a part of something bigger and work as a team when needed. This means, although you may have the skills and the ability to work alone, always remember that sometimes teaming up with others who have more skills than you and others you can build and grow from is always a good step to take. Always remember, when you're around like-minded people, you can learn from them and they can learn from you. You can become who you surround yourself with. And last but not the least, number 7, the sounds of a lion can be heard 5 miles away. Lions make themselves heard and speak up when they have to. It doesn't matter where you're from or where you're going. Just stand out and be heard, because your contribution matters, and most importantly, you matter. Thanks for watching this video. Share and subscribe for more amazing inspiration.